Okay, greetings everyone. This is First and 2073 with the next episode of Principia Masters of Science Isaac Newton campaign. Last episode I felt kind of ignorant, not researching or writing a paper on the fifth perfect number, and I couldn't explain what a perfect number was. So I looked it up. Perfect number is a positive integer that is equal to the sum of its proper divisors, which I think I was close to that. The smallest perfect number is 6. Which is the sum of 1, 2, and 3. Other perfect numbers are 28, 496. So 28 would be the second perfect number. The third is 496. The fourth is 8,128. And therefore, the fifth perfect number, not the last. There's probably infinite perfect numbers, but the last perfect number is that number that we saw in the last episode, 33 million, etc., etc., etc. There it is, 33,550,336. So there you go. There's your arithmetic lesson for the day. And let's go ahead and continue in arithmetic. Actually, I'm going to continue in that field that I'm specializing in, and I will conduct further reasoning because I have fully calculated it. The other thing is 7. I'm almost ready. I should probably sell this slide ruler at this point. I don't think I need it for anything else, but I'll just hold on to it till I'm ready to buy something else. And let's go ahead and conduct reasoning, which should be growing at 5 points per session, I think. Integers. Hold on a second. Here we go. This is theorizing. Alright, 4 is 2 to the power of 2. 8 is 2 to the power of 3, so it follows that 5, 6, and 7 are between the power of 2 and 3. That makes sense. A sudden idea, all numbers can be expressed as exponents struck while researching arithmetic. Okay. Dynamics. I am falling behind in dynamics. That's an area where I could excel, but let's go ahead and publish this paper first. So we secure our position as the authority in arithmetic. Hopefully we'll be able to secure it. Alright, so this completion is at 64 out of 90. Let's prove the theory. Publish another paper on arithmetics. Okay. We're getting there. One more turn, I think we'll have it complete. Now we'll get even more money, more fame. Oh, the other thing is, once I get enough fame, then I can probably get a higher position somewhere. Maybe a fellow of the Society of Paris, the Academy Society of Paris. Let's look up other information. Nope, that's not where I go. I go to this. Correspond, change profession. What are my options? Required fame. Currently I have, I don't know how much, I think it was just below 300 on the fame department. And these professorships, I already have the Professor of Paris. Fellow of the Academy of Paris, that's what I want. That'll give me 20 per term. Royal Scientist in Hanover. Diplomat in Berlin. Royal Scientist does give more money in Hanover. Ooh. Hanover. Get out of this. Hanover. What do we got in Hanover? No observatories, no academies, no universities. That's not a good place to be. I don't want to be there. I feel like I'd be lacking. Here I could probably correspond with certain people, but I haven't been doing so. Probably correspond with him. Let me get this paper done. Jean Picard. Those two are in astronomy. Jean Picard. And Johann. Johannes. Okay. So, arithmetic. Laboratory. Discovery. Prove the theory. Okay, I should incorporate just as my theory hypothesized, I should incorporate this fact into my paper and make it publicly known. We have fully completed the theory, and it is now time to publish. Right, compose and then publish. And that fame should make me a fellow at the French Academy of Sciences. Here we go. Compose the theory. Composition of paper. Alright, now this is a thesis, no mistake. Researching arithmetics. Here we go. Uh-oh, somebody's challenging me. They keep challenging this paper. Hook. I gotta crush Hook somehow. He's definitely a rival. Where is he? French Academy of Sciences. He's in the London Authority. If somebody publishes that paper on the fact that life is infinite, I am going to go into a debate. I'm going to crush them and the London Academy. And Hook. I'll bring down Hook with that as well. Well, he just wasted a turn and lost our friendship. So there's definitely observatories. So if you were going to play as a scientist in astronomy, you could still go into Paris. But there are other observatories in Copenhagen and Danzig you could go to. There's nothing in Russia. Nothing in the Ottoman Empire. There's an observatory in Italy. With a university. Okay. That's stuff to consider for those of you who are looking to play. Christian Huygens has 3 papers published. However, I have 4. I am leading in the publication department. I don't see... Doesn't seem like... Oh, there's another one with 3. Giovanni Cassini has 3. And so does Robert Hooke. But I have still published more than everyone else, and I'm about to publish my 5th. So here we go. Wait a minute. Isaac Newton. No. There it is. Laboratory. Got a paper. All numbers can be expressed as exponents. Submit the paper. French Academy of Sciences. We're rolling. Okay. Paper has been submitted by Mr. Isaac Newton. What is the opinion of the Secretary? Fascinating paper. Concurred. Greatly favor. They will accept the paper. Beautiful. Great fame for Isaac Newton in the 5th paper that has been published. And we will now have research fees being proffered. Woohoo! Okay, we are almost up over 1,000 now. Authority of the French Academy of Sciences has increased. Now over 180. And now I got this little red thing over here. Trying to criticize my other paper. Light reaches past obstructions. Everybody's trying to criticize me now. That's because I'm getting really far ahead. It's Robert Hooke again. I wonder if I should take some time to crush Robert Hooke. Jean Picard is resting. I'd like to correspond with some people, actually. See what that does. I want to see what that does. Who could I correspond with? Be interesting to find out what's going on in astronomy. Huygens. I forgot where he is. I'm not sure what the friendship is. So I get these. I got Huygens and I got Huygens. I think has criticized me before. The other guys are in the areas of astronomy, but I'm not sure I'm going into astronomy. I got a B in astronomy. I want to go into dynamics. Robert Hooke. There he is. I should correspond with him. Improve my relations with him, so when I go into dynamics, I'll have an advantage. Alright. Let's correspond. He's got a lot of money. And fame. I don't think we're 50. Maybe I should pay him some money before I correspond with him. Oh, what am I doing? I need to grab that position. Why did I not change my profession on that term? I want to be a fellow at the academy. Fellow of the academy. Here we are. This will improve my wealth. Change profession. And we are now a fellow of the academy. Ha ha ha. Financial aid's coming our way. From Robert Boyle. Got along with Boyle. Very good. There should be... I feel like there should be more... Whoa, what the... Something just happened in that game. I don't know if you guys saw that. That was crazy. Friendship has improved. I'm going to save this game before it's too late. Alright, we're very wealthy. Ooh, we're almost at 1,200 funds. And then if I sell those drawing instruments, I could be at 1,800. Huh. What can I get for 1,800? Dynamics. Scales. Pendulum clock. Oh, I can just buy a pendulum clock right now. And I could get scales. Scales and a pendulum clock. Ooh, I'm going to move into dynamics, I think. I think I need to move into that area. I don't want to, like, this is going to be my last episode this weekend. I don't want to, like, forget what I'm doing. So let's go ahead and buy scale, or buy the pendulum clock right away. Ah, see, now I might need the slide ruler if I explore other areas of mathematics. So let's go ahead and get the pendulum clock. And I won't worry about the scales just yet. Okay. Cool. Clock that leverages the regularity of the pendulum oscillation period. Let's do it. And let's get into a third topic. Christian Huygens, he's not going to like me. Let's see, I could probably overrun Robert. Oh, yeah, Robert Hooke. I want to take him on. Let's go after Robert Hooke. This is based on rivalry, okay? This is like, you know, what the scientists really do. Like, they hate their rivals and they go after their rivals. Disposition of springs, distorting the shape of metallic elastic bodies, gives rise to a returning force as they return to form. Indeed, this has been known since antiquity, but By what compulsion is the returning force determined? He has already come up with a discovery and published a paper on the fact that the period of the spring's oscillation is not determined by the breadth of the oscillation. Okay. I don't know anything about oscillation or springs or the disposition of, but maybe I'll do some research if I have time. And I'm gonna go ahead and select this topic. I love it. Now I'm gonna get Hook. I'm gonna get the best of them. Move that pendulum clock in there. There we go. And let's experiment. This experimentation goes up to 100. Reasoning goes up to 100. I'm probably going to need much more knowledge in this area. But I think I can correspond with the other one. Zounds. I have sounds. What the heck is down? I've pulled it too rigorously and it has stretched apart. Uh-oh. That didn't break my pendulum clock, did it? Okay, good. That thing can't break. Good. I'm gonna correspond. Ooh, you know what I wanted to do? I'll have to send Huygens some money. I don't have any money. Is Huygens still here? Yes, he is. Where do I send money? Financial aid. Right there. I have the money. Okay, I regard your exceptional research with the utmost respect. It is the expectation of your future findings. I behold myself to rendering 100 coins. A promise of financial aid. Newton is a dependable man of character. I shall not squander such goodwill. Very good. We're now at 60, and I want to make sure if the coins come. Correspondence will actually occur now. Lethargic. People are lethargic and defamed. Oh, that's ugly. Getting ugly. Alright, let's correspond with Huygens. Oh, did he move to Cambridge now? Ah, I gave him money and ran away. That was a waste of money. Okay. It's time for me to save this. I hope I don't forget it by next weekend. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.